Truth is stranger than fiction. And this is the proof. This is Ripley's Believe It or Not.
A jet fighter has a refrigerating system with a freezing capacity equal to 176,000 ice cubes a day. Believe it or not. In a moment, I'll tell you about a ceremony which will tax your belief. The natives of the province of Imarina on the island of Madagascar enact annually a ceremony they refer to as Famadiana. There, time does not heal the grief of relatives who lose a kinsman through death. Each September, they dig up the bodies of their dear departed and provide them with a change of clothing. Then, they reinter them in the same grave or transfer them to a new and showier sepulcher, depending on the state of the family's finances. This macabre ceremony is repeated until either the bereaved die or there is nothing left. Believe it or not.